Ever felt your transmission suddenly decide it wants to start off in second or third gear for no reason at all? That frustrating limp mode is usually the first sign that something is going sideways with your P0996 code. This one is all about the transmission fluid pressure sensor or switch circuit, EF, acting up intermittently. Now, this is a generic powertrain code, so you might see it on a Chevy, Ford, or Toyota, but honestly, it pops up way more often in Nissan vehicles. This sensor is the middleman that turns mechanical pressure into an electrical signal for your PCM, or TCM, to understand what is happening inside the gearbox. When that signal starts flickering, or does not match what the computer expects, the whole shifting logic goes out the window. It could be an electrical glitch like a loose wire, but it could also be a mechanical headache like a stuck valve, a cracked check ball, or a low main line pressure inside the unit. You cannot afford to overlook these mechanical possibilities, especially when the problem comes and goes without warning. Before you go tearing into the transmission, always check for any technical service bulletins because sometimes the manufacturer already has a fix for this exact headache. Start your diagnosis by finding the sensor, which is usually bolted to the valve body. Give those connectors a good look because corrosion is a huge culprit here. Pull that connector apart and look for any green tint or burnt pins. If they look messy, clean them with some electrical contact cleaner and apply some grease. If the code persists, grab your DVOM and check the voltage with the key on but the engine off. You should see 5 or 12 volts depending on your car. If the wiring is solid but the resistance is off when you wiggle the wires at the sensor, that switch is probably toast. Just remember, if you end up having to swap the PCM, you will definitely need to get it programmed to your specific vehicle, or it won't even talk to the rest of the car. It is a bit of a process, but catching it early saves you from a much bigger repair bill down the road. Every single wire matters here, so take your time checking for any bare spots or melted plastic along the harness.